Right folks, just a quick stop on the way home at Auchmithie. Now, we can't have a day that goes by without going to the coast. So, I've just come down here to see, guess what? Yes, the waves. Now, remember at Stonehaven? No, I keep saying Stonehaven. John's Haven the other day. There was lots of foam. Well, seemingly there was lots of foam down here yesterday too. So, not quite as windy today. So, I don't know if there'll be any, but we'll go and see, folks. So, welcome to Auchmithie again. Right, folks, we're a fair bit from the sea, but you can actually feel the spray up here. And I said it wasn't windy because it's windy when you get down here. Jeez. Down we go, folks. Now it's bitterly cold now. It was fine at the top there, but as soon as you get down here near the sea, bitterly cold and massive waves as normal. Not much foam though to report, folks, but anyway, we're still going to go down. Yes, the waves are huge. Folks, I found the foam. There's actually quite a lot here on the beach. Look. Mega foam. Oh my goodness, there's a big hole. Oh. There's a big ditch down there, folks, over here. Awesome. Right. Oh no, look at my feet. Oh, disaster. Damn it. Try and wade through to get to the harbour here. Oh dear. Right, these have to go in the wash tonight. Attack of the Foam, Part 2. Look at the white horses. Absolutely beautiful. Now the sun just came out there a minute ago as well, which made it look really white. More foam coming in. Oh, look at the harbour at the back there. Right, let's go down and investigate a bit more. I don't know if you can hear me because the mic sometimes picks up the wind more than me, but never mind. This is the old harbour pier here. The pier here, this is the pier here. And that bit there in the middle, you can only stand on that. But obviously, not today. I'm stuck in the foam again. It's up to my knees now, look. Look, folks, really sitting in the foam. Honestly. Ugh, getting attacked. Right. Oh, my cameras are covered in foam now. Oh dear. Don't know if you can make out, folks, up there. There's the Auchmithie Arch. Oh, sorry about that. My camera cut out. My camera did a jag. It was so cold down there. The iPhone is renowned for cutting out, folks, and that's what it did. Right in the middle of a massive wave, and the sun came out, and god damn it. Anyway, and absolutely filthy. Now, the foam in John's Haven the other day was nice and clean. The foam down there was, honestly, folks, manky. I'm absolutely covered in mud. My jacket's all filthy. Oh, just have to jump straight in the shower when I go home. Anyway, folks, some exciting breaking news. Breaking news. Now, from next week, or maybe even from tomorrow, or even when you're watching this video, I've had a few issues with the behind the scenes name. So we're having to rename the channel, folks. Same me, same videos, same amateurish, boring, rabbiting on by me. But the channel name is going to have to change. So, actually, I think Jag came up with the name. So the new channel is going to be called Solo Bro. Solo Bro. Now, I thought having it as all as one name, but I thought some people will think it's Solobro or Slobby Bro or Solobro. So, Solo Bro. That's the name of the new channel, folks. It's me. It's still behind the scenes with Stu Betty, but now going to be called Solo Bro. So that's it, folks. That's the news. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be a Solo Bro video. In the meantime, thanks for watching, folks. See you next time. Solo Bro.